Professor.
Zebras like to run through the jungle grass. Clip, clop, clip, clop, clip, clop, clip, clop.
Dinosaurs like it too! Stomp, stomp, stomp!
There are no dinosaurs in the jungle, Eddie.
There are in this jungle. Stomp, 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 stomp! Would your dinosaur like to smell my flowers?
Sure.
Dinosaurs love Eddie, cover your mouth, please.
Sorry.
Eddie!
You should cover your mouth when you sneeze. You could spread germs.
I think you need a tissue.
Thanks.
Use the tissue!
Sorry.
Why are you sneezing so much?
I have owl germs that make me sneeze sometimes.
I think you mean allergies? What's that?
Scientific fact. Some allergies make you sneeze in the springtime. Yep, I have those. Oops, I forgot.
It's good manners to use a tissue, Eddie. Please try to remember. Come on, Sophie! Throw the frisbee! Ha! I want to play too!
Me too! What's so good about good manners anyway? I bet dinosaurs don't have to remember their See? You don't care that I didn't use a tissue. I bet none of the animals in the jungle would care. I'm gonna go to the jungle where I can sneeze all day and no one will tell me to cover my mouth.
Huh. Good catch!
Hey, come out and play. We're going on an adventure today. We're gonna have some fun. Use our imagination. You can be anyone in any situation. Let's go on an adventure, exploring someplace new. Go near and far together. There's so much we can do. So hey, come out and play. We're going on an adventure today. We're gonna have so much fun. Use our imagination. You can be anyone in any situation. Hey, come out and play. We're going on an adventure today.
Woohoo!
Hey, who did that? Was that you, Mr. Parrot? It was you. Cool. My turn. Whoa! That was really loud.
The Duke is always really loud.
The Duke?
Duke Trunks here, at your service.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Duke.
What's your name?
I'm Eddie.
I'm Eddie. Oh, I like that name.
No, that's not my no!
Woohoo! That was a good one, I'm Eddie. Oh, wasn't that a good one, huh? Oh, no. No need for that. I never cover my mouth when I sneeze. I have the loudest sneeze in the land, and I want to be sure everyone can hear it. I can tell we have a lot in common, I'm Eddie. Would you like to have lunch with me? Of course you would. Who wouldn't? Let's go!
Thank you?
There's my table. I have lunch here every day. A table always becomes available the moment I walk in.
Always?
Always! I'll take, one of everything.
don't forget to say please.
Pronto! Right!
Please.
Ooh, time to eat! Time to eat!
The Duke can be a bit hard to eat with.
Time to eat! Time to eat! Time to eat! Time to eat! Time to eat!
His manners are a little, well, he has no manners.
Excuse me, Duke. Maybe you should speak a little more quietly. We don't want to bother the other customers.
Oh! You're funny, I'm Eddie. Come on, join in. Time to eat. Time to eat. Time to eat. Time to eat.
You're gonna need this.
Thank you?
Nom, 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 nom. Nom, nom. Nom, nom.
Excuse me, but could you maybe please chew with your mouth closed? Shouldn't you say excuse me?
Now, why would I say a thing like that?
Because, well, I think you're being rude.
Rude?
Yes. I thought it would be cool to forget about manners for a while, but it's not.
What do you mean, Mr. I'm Eddie?
My name is Eddie, and I mean that it's not cool to have no manners.
Manners?
Having good manners means thinking of others and being polite.
No, that's completely... You don't think I... Wait, what? Really?
Well, yeah.
Oh, thank you. No one has ever told me why I need to have good manners before.
No one?
No! So you see, I didn't know that I was being rude and making others feel uncomfortable. I apologize, everyone. Oh, I'm truly sorry. Can you forgive me?
Of course we forgive you, Duke.
Oh, good. And from now on, I would like you to tell me when my manners are slipping. Please. They could be so easy to forget.
You're right. Sometimes when I'm with my friends, I forget my manners too. Excuse me. I'm gonna go apologize right now.
No, wait! Please don't go yet, Eddie. I need help remembering my manners.
Well, okay. I guess we both could use a little help.
Saying thanks, saying please, cover your nose when you sneeze. Don't be rude and make a splatter. Manners matter. Close your mouth when you chew, 'cause it's the polite thing to do. A mouth that's full should not chatter. Manners matter.
Manners matter.
Take a look at yourself and say, would I like a friend to act this way? If what you answer is no, then it's not the way to go. Listen up, wait your turn, don't interrupt, it's easy to learn. And if you burp, say excuse me, it can happen as you can see. No one's perfect, so just remember, manners matter. Manners matter.
Why, thank you. Ooh, allow me to serve. Everyone, have a slice. Ooh, have a slice, please.
Nice.
Wow. Can't wait.
Woohoo! Hey, guys! Just in time.
There you are, Eddie. Oh, careful. The flowers might make you sneeze.
Don't worry. If they do, I'll cover my mouth with this. And I'm sorry I didn't do it before. Ooh, excuse me. Now I know that manners matter for everyone.
lucky. Aw, here you go.